Hello everyone, I'm Satinder Kaur and I welcome you to my channel. As you know, we are going through a difficult time due to Corona. Why not we make some changes in our life and acquire new skills? No one can help as much as you can help yourself to become a better version. What is yours today might not be yours tomorrow. So if you have anything to do it now. Nothing in life is guaranteed. Stop waiting for the perfect moment and believe in yourself. During my leisure hours, I compose poetry. It gives me pleasure and I express my feelings as per my mood. Today, in this video, I wish to inspire you to follow your dreams, earn self-respect and forget the rest. Before I start, please like, share, comment and subscribe my link. I have written this poem Self-Identity after reading an incident on WhatsApp and I want to share it with you. Someone asked a woman one day, "Are you a housewife or a working woman?" The lady was deeply moved and replied, "I am a full-time working woman. I am an alarm clock for the family to get up. I am a cook to feed all. I am a teacher to my kids. I am a nurse to the elder ones. I am a security guard to my sweet home. I am an attendant to the guests. I am a model and heroine to assist my husband at the party. I enjoy no holiday and ask for no salary. Despite all this, everyone hurts me by asking what I do whole day." Friends, it's a fact that mostly women work tirelessly, so they deserve respect. I believe that we as a woman have right to love ourselves. So here's my poem, Self-Identity. After completing half a century of my life, I have now decided to change my mind. It's not easy to change others as we like. All that we can do is to change ourselves. I wish to become a child once again. And finally stop bothering about all. I realize that it's no good to advise others who think themselves to be the pillars of wisdom. I stop to get up early before all others to keep the breakfast ready or to pack lunch. In life, I need time to eat, drink and be merry. I have learned not to compare what others possess, but to selectively choose and fulfill my desires. In youth, I exploited my talents to the fullest, worked hard with my heart, body and soul. I intend to live a carefree and tension-free life because as a wife and working mother, I am done. My kids are grown up to shoulder every responsibility. I would love to live with my dad and be his girl again. Let me help him now when he needs me the most. Till date, I allowed everyone to judge and use me, but today I stand alone. And think about myself before I die and become one with the dust. It's not all to say that is enough. I wish to add that woman's resentment is criticized in general and she is considered selfish if she denies her duties at any stage of life. So here's another poem, Am I Selfish, to express such a situation. Family time 7 to 9. Male ego, where to go? Child's emotions, find solutions. Teachers complain, patience sustain. Parents pressure, forget pleasure. Income tension, workload extension. Health issues, search clues. Shopping spree, hardly free. Household chores, more and more. After all this, I am called selfish. End of the day, I regret to say, yes, I am selfish to love myself. I love my life the most at any cost. No more self-neglect despite critical dialect. Invest time to create prioritized regime. Family is important, not less, not more. But I dare to dream in millions score. Focus and pray to fulfill them all for sure. At this moment, I'm so carried away by my thoughts that I need to share some more feelings as I wrote in another poem, My Life, My Rules. All these would console a woman in pain and would surely inspire that life is to live not as a curse but as a blessing. My life, my way. Accept or reject, you may. I do what I want. Praise me, you can't. I actually don't mind for the criticism of any kind. I don't care what others think as the life would end with a blink. I enjoy life setting my own rules, even if people guess I'm a fool. We can never please everyone, so I never try. In this life of mine, why not I try to shine? There should not be regret any, as my dreams are so many. Before I get buried under the crust, I want my life to live to the fullest. When everything goes wrong, just remember pain and failure are part of life and they too shall pass. Your scars show your strength, not your weaknesses. Every little struggle matters. Keep going on, friends. Do what makes you happy without an intention to hurt anybody. It's time to remove excuses. A good life is when you assume nothing, do more, think less, smile often, dream big, laugh a lot, and realize how blessed you are. Now, one last message through my poem, Now or Never, before I end up. Life is so dear and a precious entity that every moment we live becomes priceless. Ask a dying man his last but one wish. He would plead a few more moments to live. Can anyone alive be ready to part with an organ? Why then a woman has to surrender most often? When the situations for her turn from worst to worst, take care of her and be fair before it gets too late. Oh selfish man, you would be otherwise left to your fate. That's all for now. I would love to hear from you what and how you feel. So please forward your feedback in the comments below, and thank you for watching the video. May God bless you. Once you become fearless, life becomes limitless. Be humble, polite, and kind, but not to an extent that people treat you as a carpet and walk over you. My joy comes from within. I don't think about right decision. I don't think about wrong decision. I take decision and prove it right. I need to learn to give respect to others. I need to gain respect for myself. What is the next chapter of our life we do not know, but what we write to read on the next page of our diary that matters. When you don't compare to others, you love who you are. When you don't compete with others, you value your own power. When you don't complain, you learn to embrace life. Sometimes when you are in a dark place, you think you have been buried, but you have actually been planted. Thank you.